Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about something that can be a bit confusing, duplicate charts on Cash App. Don't worry, through we will walk you through a simple, easy step-to-step part and resolve duplicate transactions so your balance stay accurate. Let's get started. First, open Cash App on your phone and logged in. Second, tap to the activity tab at the bottom right to see your recent transaction. Then look carefully for duplicate transaction with the same amount, merchant, and date. Next, tap a suspicious transaction to check its details and confirm if it's a duplicate. After that, tap the three dots in the top right corner, select report and issues, then choose duplicate charts and submit the report. If you don't get a refund within 24 hours, contact Cash App support via Cash App help or call their call center. That's use only. Provide the transaction details to speed up the process. Finally, keep monitoring your balance and transaction history for the refund, which usually appears within 24 hours through activity log, may update slightly later. Following these steps will help you quickly identify and fix duplicate charts. That's for today. If you is helpful, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.